Welcome to my channel.
Vietnam testing bird flu vaccine on humans. 300 adults each will get 2 shots of the vaccine 21 days apart in what is the second stage of human trials. Vietnam has started the second stage of human trials of an indigenous bird flu vaccine, testing its immunization effect. A statement from the Con Hoa Province Health Department said it is cooperating with the Central Institute of Hygiene and Epidemiology to test the vaccine against the H5N1 virus strain of influenza A on 300 locals aged between 18 and 60. Each will get 2 shots 21 days apart before undergoing 6 blood tests to check how they are protected and decide the optimal dose. The virus has an incubation period of 21 days. The IVFLU H5N1 vaccine was created by the Institute of Vaccine and Medical Biologicals, IVAC, based in the Central Province's capital town of Nha Trang with support from the World Health Organization. The first stage of human trials was done successfully on 75 people in April 2015. There will be further tests before the vaccine is licensed for commercial production. WHO reported 650 human infections of the highly pathogenic H5N1 virus in 15 countries since it recurred in 2003. Around 60% died, including at least 65 in Vietnam, which has had one of the highest fatality rates in the world. Experts from the Vaccine Institute said only a small number of producers are making bird flu vaccines and at a price not affordable to low and middle-income countries. So the low-cost Vietnamese product would be of vital importance, they added.